Yeah, my people, how you doing? How is today? Yeah, let's trade. What is our trade saying today? Let's see. I'm trading. Even this pounds USD is for sale. Anyone that wants to trade, this is because look at it. Yeah, it's for sale. It's a sell chart. I'm trading. Sorry, no, it's supposed to be for buy. This one trading British pounds. That's pounds GPY. Pound GBY. See, the trading is trading. This is for a buy. A buy signal. You can see how it's going. Pew, pew. Buy signal. See? Let's see. See buy signal. The trading is looking beautiful. We're also trading, I think USGPY. No, there's no trade on it, but it's also for a buy. In case you want to trade on USGPY, it's also for a buy. I'm not trading it today. I think I'm trading, let me see, CAD Yeah, I'm trading Canadian dollar, CAD. You see, it's for a buy. And the trading is trading. Yeah, you can all see. Where is my, let me see my CAD. See, I entered 2 trades for CAD. At least I'm sitting at $25 for each. So the trading is trading. It's looking beautiful. So then let us, I just entered this trade not quite long. So if you want us to still enter, why not? We can still enter. Then I'm trading, I've checked card. Let's check for AUDJPY. Let me see AUDJPY. AUDJPY, what is it saying? Ha! Can you see something here I'm seeing? See this pattern. I need to teach you people about trading pattern. See this pattern is creating this chart pattern is creating a W for me. What I'm seeing here. Let me see whether my hand is going to show like this. See W. Yeah, see, I'm seeing a W here. I'm seeing a W. If you look at my this my, let me see, no, no. I want it to zoom. Yeah, you can see it's a W shape. Yeah, if you can see well, for those of you that can see. So normally once it's a W shape, you know that this is a reversal sign for any trade on that particular chart and on that particular currency pair. So W is, it means it's for a sell. It's going to be bullish. Any W pattern you see is a bullish. If you see a M pattern is bearish, is for sell. So now as this is showing W, I didn't even notice it. So but yeah, it is what it is. Definitely this for a sell. You can just see it from here. See my moving average just cross. The red crosses the blue, and it's for a buy. This is a buy signal for those that use moving averages. On this one, I like using train. That's most of the strategy I like using. Trading, trendy, trending, trending. You know what is trend? Is it going up? Is the market a uptrend or is it a downtrend? You understand? That's the strategy I love trading. That's what I, it's not like I have like 5 to 6 strategies, but I love that strategy. And I also like this strategy of pattern. At times when I see a pattern, I can go in. Why not? It's giving me confirmation. And when I can use also these moving average is also another strategy I use. So why not? The trading is trading. This trading is looking beautiful. So let me see Euro JPY. I just look at AUD JPY. Let's see Euro. And it's good for you to learn how to trade different currencies. It's good. It's good. But you see, mostly this currency that I trade, most of them have the same pattern. There's this kind of pattern. Most of them have. This is a sell. This is a buy signal. It's going up. It's bullish. So go for it. So the trading is trading. You can see We're sitting at total of $300. This is looking beautiful. This is looking beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I think yeah, it's going on fine. This is how the chart. If for anybody that wants to trade now, no, being today 10th, it's today 10th. Let's see, today 10th of yeah, January 2024. Today being 10th. Anybody want to trade, you can jump on your chart right now. You know, this is how they trade. For Euro, JPY is a buy signal. Definitely is a buy. At least you can catch 20 pips. If you know, it depends on how you do your analysis. You can catch 20 pips or 30 pips. You know, it depends on your balance. You need to do your risk management very well, calculate it very well, and you enter. You know, I'm trading pounds JPY. I'm trading. I have pounds JPY. I have like different trade on pounds JPY. One, two. I see the two trade. These two, three, four, five. I think I placed 5 trades on pounds JPY. I see my Euro JPY, just one trade. AUD JPY, one trade. CAD JPY. You can jump on this trade. These are my trades. I think when I post it on my YouTube, on my Instagram page, you know, you can go and see it as long as it's not late for today or anybody that can be able. That's why it's good to, you know, click on that subscribe button, click on notification. As soon as I post my trade results, you know, I post my live trading, you can go on your chat and trade. Why not? You can do that. So thank you for today. Thank you. Our trading is looking all beautiful. We thank God. You know, most of them, they are all for buy signals. So you can see, that's one thing I noticed for today. It's just buy, 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 buy. So I think I'm good for now. I want to call it buy. Maybe before I close the trade, I don't know. I've set my take profit and stop loss. You can see where it's gonna take in case, you know, doing something busy. You can take my profit, but if I was be able to check back my chart, I can close my trade with you guys. So thank you. Bye for now. I love you. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Click that like button, you know. I want to see your comments on the comment section. What do you want to learn? What do you want to know? If you have another strategy you can teach me, why not? I'm ready to learn. Thank you and bye for now.